There's this moment every gardener hits, especially if you're staring down a small backyard, a cramped balcony, or you just don't want to fuss over 100 different crops. You ask yourself, if I could only squeeze in 5 vegetables, which ones would actually make it worth my time? I've been there. Trust me. After years of trial and error, seeing what thrives and what disappoints, I've narrowed it down to a list that honestly changed the way I garden. So, let's jump straight into the only 5 vegetables I'd grow if I had to start all over. First up, tomatoes. There's a reason every gardener obsesses over them. One healthy tomato plant is like a vending machine for fresh produce. It cranks out juicy fruit from early summer till the chill finally wins. The kicker? They're ridiculously rewarding if you treat them right. Give them a little extra magnesium with a tablespoon of Epsom salt and a couple liters of water each week. That's the secret to rich, deep color and fewer of those sad, bottom rot spots. Tomatoes flex in containers, beds, or climbing up a trellis. If you want a crop that works as hard as you do, start with tomatoes. Next, kale. I call this one the set it and forget it vegetable. Whether you're dealing with blazing heat, a surprise frost, or soil that's seen better days, kale just keeps going. I harvest from the bottom up, and the plant thanks me by growing taller and bushier, basically turning into a self-serve salad bar. Toss a handful of compost around the base every month, and you'll be swimming in fresh greens loaded with vitamins. For new gardeners, nothing beats kale for a confidence boost. Third on my list, potatoes. These guys are the definition of turning dirt into dinner. You don't need fancy soil or tools, just a bucket, bag, or patch of loose earth. Every seed potato multiplies into a pile of meals. As they grow, keep layering on some soil. That's how you boost your harvest big time. For the best tubers, water with compost tea every couple weeks. They'll reward you with big, healthy crops that store well, so you always have a hearty meal on hand, even months after harvest. Fourth, onions. If you haven't given onions a fair shot, now's the time. They hardly take up any space and are shockingly easy. Plant them close, pick a few young for green onions, and leave the rest to bulb up. The real win is storage. Cure them right, and you'll still be slicing homegrown onions half a year later. They're my top pick for stretching the harvest long after most veggies are done. Last but not least, peppers. Yeah, they start slow, but once they catch some sun, peppers explode with growth and color. They're perfect for pots, raised beds, or tucked between other plants. Feed them a weekly hit of liquid seaweed, and you'll get loads of crisp, sweet, or spicy fruit well into the season. In small spaces, peppers are absolute workhorses. So why these 5? They're the backbone of every great garden, reliable, flexible, and packed with nutrition. These are the vegetables that make every inch of your space count, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. If you're tight on space, short on time, or just want to simplify, these 5 veggies will keep your harvest baskets and your dinner table full. Ready to get started? Grow smart, harvest heavy, and turn your little garden into a powerhouse. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint and share this with a friend who needs a little garden inspiration today. Happy growing.